foot's on the pedal right there. I've done something terrible. Teamwork makes a dream work. Teamwork makes a dream work. Yeah. I miss you. That fly's dying. That's good. If this isn't proof that going into quarantine is driving people insane, then I don't know what is, because I have decided to make curtains. The moment that lockdown was announced, it was like, we need curtains. I mean, we don't have curtains in our living room and bedroom right now, so I think we need curtains. I think that's like a necessity, but maybe I should have bought some that were already made. I'm scared. So this is the fabric here. Nice little white linen situation going on. These are the poles that we're using. That's got something missing, but it's like a little ball on the end. But I just realized that I only have one roll of thread and I need more than one roll of thread. I have to like sew these together, not just like make the actual top and bottom of the curtains. I actually have to like sew the pieces together because the fabric isn't long enough to touch from the top to the bottom. That's gonna be really fun, and I will definitely be taking you along with me so that you can laugh at everything I am just about to fail at. So I'm gonna go out into the public and get maybe like 3 more of these because I'm just scared. I don't know how much I need. Maybe I should ask someone. Maybe I should Google it. Or we could just risk it. We could just risk it. Let's get 3. You know what, to be honest, I'm probably gonna come out with like 6 of them because I'm scared and I don't know how much I'll need. But I'm gonna take this with me so that I get like the same thread because I got it from the same place last time. It's amazing that they're still open. I think because everybody is now probably making curtains and doing sewing projects that we can't do. But it's great. It's good for us to learn these new skills. I think that, oh, it's so jumpy. I think this is such an amazing time to be able to actually learn some of the things that I feel like our generation has lost, like knitting and being able to stitch work and obviously sewing. Anyway, got me handbag. Let's go. Just realized that before when I was saying that I was going to go out into the wilds, that I am not in quarantine as in like I need to be staying in quarantine so that I don't infect other people. We're just in lockdown, but today is the last day that you can go and get stuff if you need them, because after today everything's just in like complete lockdown apart from supermarkets, doctors, pharmacies, etc, etc. But I thought I would just clarify that because there is absolutely no way that I would leave the house at all if I was personally in quarantine. I just got home and I had a shower because it's like the only way that I feel like I will feel clean and safe. I've jumped back into my pajamas, but now I've got the thread. I hope I have enough because I have no idea what I'm doing. Let's make some curtains. Just walking on my curtains. I'm just walking on my curtains. I probably shouldn't do that because I have greasy toes. But I popped me dressing gown on because it's got a little bit colder now and I'm just about to pin that seam down there. Let's do that. I don't know where all my pins have gone. This is apparently how many I have. I might just have to look in some other boxes and see if there's any more because that is very disappointing. As you can see here, we have the no curtain situation going on. All right, let's do some pinning. Give a little ASMR moment to the camera. We're almost there. Don't worry, I've got shorts on underneath my dressing gown. Alright, we have pinned along the seam. Now I have to sew it. Okay, how the heck am I going to do this? Hey Josh. Okay, so I've plonked myself on the floor. There she is, one of them. And I'm about to do the most satisfying part of this whole process. Hey Taz, need to clip me old nails. So I had to just undo all of this, which is very, 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 very sad because I'm scared that I won't even have enough. Okay, I think I've got it now. I think it's working. Here we go. Whoopity-doo, whoopity-day, a shooby-dooby-dooby-boo-doo-boo. Oh, so here I am. My foot's on the pedal right there. Wish me luck. I'm going to now just sew tons and tons of straight lines and hope that it works out. Hey! So I've measured it all out and we are going in with the part that wraps around the pole now. That was terrible. Okay, so I just took a moment to lie down on my bed and now I'm just lying down on my curtain because my back is really sore. I think I'm gonna move my sewing machine onto my table once this one curtain is done because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more curtains to make and yeah. I'm actually feeling kind of good about this one. So that line right there that you can see is the last line that I need to sew along and then I just need to cut off little excess bits and then Jash is going to put up the whatchamacallit? Rail. The rail. And then we're going to hang up the first one. Ooh! I'm excited but also feeling the burn from hours of sewing this one curtain. But we love it. We're so creative. We're so enthused and we're so inspired. Right? Right. No, it's good. It's good. Holy moly. This is all that's left. Yeah, 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 yeah. I finished the first curtain and Jash is now measuring up the spot to put the rails on. It wasn't the most seamless experience. I have definitely learnt some new things that I should do differently for my second one that I'm about to do. Because I have 5 more. While I've been making the curtains, Jash will be making pumpkin soup that we're gonna have for dinner. Hey, what do you reckon? What? I am with a curtain that I made. Ooh.
Too far?
As you can see, I have some bath bombs. My birthday is going to be happening while we're in lockdown. I'm all about celebration, and so the fact that I wasn't going to be able to like have people over and have a birthday situation meant that I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna pamper myself. I'm gonna get me some bath bombs. And boy, did I get me some bath bombs. I think I'm gonna do something slightly scandalous and do like a double bath bomb situation. So I think I'm gonna go with the Comforter and then Royalty. Look at that little cutie. I'm gonna read my book. Name of the Wind. Hi, hi. I will see you tomorrow when I attempt to make some more curtains. Good night. Okay, so we had a bit of a rocky start today. We're going on to the second curtain for our bedroom. We realized that we didn't have enough fabric left to be able to replicate what we've done with these curtains in the living room. We ended up buying a certain amount that meant that we had to like cut some of the fabric in half to be able to make a curtain. So with that first one, I didn't cut off the extra that we needed to cut off essentially to make it happen. Here's your Yashar.
Just did my first Skype lesson ever.
Oh, drum tutoring via Skype. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna make this next one the same way that I made the other one for the bedroom, just so that both of them look the same and have a similar amount of gather, and then the ones for the living room will just have less gather, and then the ones up here, I'm just gonna make one curtain. I'll let you know how it all goes. I've done something terrible and I have sewn it the wrong way. So the hem I've sewn backwards so that the part that you don't want to see is at the front. Now I have to unpick this whole half up to here. I'm just feeling really good right now. So I've just finished the second one. I need to pick up the morale a little bit. Josh?
Yeah, a little bit.
I'm feeling glum. I think once this is up, it'll probably give me a little pep in my step. Oh, should I do that whole like hand over the... Oh my gosh. I was putting my hand over the other end of the phone. This one. Oh, like that. And then we go next scene. Should we do it? Okay. I'm now starting on the lounge curtains. I've cut up this extra little piece, so with the other two curtains, like I was saying before, we had the confusion with the amounts that we were using. So before we had two halves of these, so like one other piece of this, but I've cut this into a half and then I am attaching this on. So same process except just with less material. Right. I'm really looking forward to finishing this project. When this is done, I can just write some music or make some earrings or do some painting or something. The thing that blows my mind is that people sew for enjoyment, and that is definitely not where I'm at in the slightest, not even remotely. 2 out of 5 are done, and I feel like I'm just getting better. So then maybe once I finish the curtains, like I might actually be able to make a pair of curtains, you know? We are now putting up the rail in the lounge. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Yeah. Teamwork makes a dream work. Teamwork makes a dream work. Yeah. Teamwork makes a dream work. Teamwork makes a dream work. It's alright.
It's great.
It's nice. It's all good. Oh my gosh, I miss you. Okay, we are in day 3 of trying to make these curtains. I'm on my fourth? Yeah, fourth, because we've got one over there and then we've just got the other one there and then we've got to do this one, which I was saying before is just going to be one for now, and then when all the shops open up after this lockdown finishes, then I will get some more fabric. But today is actually the day that I released Dizzy into the world, which is so exciting. But this girl ain't stopping for nothing to get these curtains done. And I'm actually watching Next in Fashion right now, and I thought that was quite fitting because I'm just sitting here pinning up my little curtains and I'm about to just sit over there at the sewing machine, and who knows, I might just whip up a dress after this. Go and listen to Dizzy. Go and buy it on Apple Music. Go and stream it, all that jazz. I'm just so thankful that it's done and that it's out in the world. I'm going to get back to these curtains. Okay. We've got the 2 curtains up in the lounge. Ash is just cleaning the window. I've pinned up some of the top and the bottom, and then I'm just going to sew all of that now. And then all I'll have to do is just sew the sides up, and then Josh will put up the rails, and I will have completed the curtains. Let's go. Oh my freaking goodness, so I am just sewing the last line of the curtains. What the heck? I thought it would take me one more day. Since I released Dizzy, I've been pretty preoccupied with that as well, but I still have to make one more curtain, but we just don't have the fabric for it, which I've said for like the billionth time. Shall we do it? Going in for the last line. My goodness gracious me. I am excited to cut these bad boys. Yeehaw.
This is a nice seam size too. And the seam sits like right on the
Also, Josh, come sit here. This is a moment. I need to iron it. Good morning. Last night when I went to bed, I was just so excited to wake up in the morning and take this little video in our lounge / just look at it, because I hadn't seen our lounge curtains finished with the sunlight coming through them, and that's why I love white curtains, because they're private and you can't see in, but you still get all the beautiful natural light and it just feels bright. So this is the lounge, all finished. Oh my freaking goodness. So here is the curtain that we're gonna add another one on with. It actually looks quite nice though. Here is the two big ones. I've got the dehumidifier going because it's a bit moisty in here. The curtains are done. I really thought we'd have to compromise on the rails, but they're so cute and they're like the perfect color for the curtains. And they were only $30 per rail and they extend. It's just a pretty amazing situation. For breakfast, I'm having some vegan pesto on toast with some tomatoes. And then I've got some of Dove's decaf coffee, grey roasting co. Absolutely delish. Okay, I'm gonna have my brekkie with my coffee. Boop. And then I'm gonna read my book. So I hope you enjoyed this little creative splurge that we went on together. I have a feeling there might be a couple more of these types of videos coming for you. I hope you're all staying safe and you are using this time to be able to either just relax or get some stuff done that you've been wanting to get done. Be able to enjoy some time with your partner or your family or your friends, whoever you're living with. And make sure that you're checking in with those who might be feeling a little bit lonely at this time or just need a little bit extra support, or just people that you care about, because it's really important. Just be checking in with each other. Flies dying. That's good.